Hi, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I love trying new recipes, and when Maddie got this cookbook for her birthday from me, I looked through it and I said, wow, that's a beautiful banana bread recipe.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I have a pretty kick-ass banana bread recipe on our channel, but I'm always interested in doing better. So whenever I see recipes for things that I make, I always want to try somebody else's take on them to see if mine can be improved or how does mine stack up. So this is the girl who was the first all-vegan baker on the Great British Bake Off.
Yes, we love Freya.
She made it pretty far into the show.
Mm-hmm. I was really sad when she was eliminated.
Me too. She's super young. She's got some great recipes in here from what I have seen already. And today we're going to try out her banana bread recipe. I'll leave a link for where you can get your book if you're interested in the info box below. And I'm not going to write out the recipe because it's her recipe and I don't want to...
By the way, everything in that book...
Chef's kiss.
I'm drooling.
Me too. So it's a very simple recipe, which is nice because I like keep it simple, stupid, right? We got some mashed bananas, 3.
Mm-hmm.
We have dark chocolate, vegan of course. Walnuts, vegan of course. Only vegan walnuts.
Right.
We have, I'm making it gluten-free. Hers is not necessarily gluten-free, but I have some 1-to-1 gluten-free flour. Some brown sugar. I'm using turbinado because it's raw. I've got some olive oil, Evu. Although she says to use a neutral oil, I really enjoy using Evu even in baking. And baking powder. So those are all the ingredients, and I'm just gonna, so we don't have a little stickage.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to mix all of my dry ingredients first. It helps if you coat your chocolate chips and your walnuts with the flour. It helps them from all sinking to the bottom of the cake.
That's a good tip.
It is a good tip. So let me get these mixed first. And then we're going to add our wet ingredients. All right, I've got mine mixed, and I'm not going to scrape with that.
Good call.
I made a well in the center of the bowl to put my wet ingredients in. Why? I don't know.
For fun.
Everybody says to do that, so I've always done it.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm just going to give this a mix. It looks quite thick because it is. Usually banana breads are pretty thick. This seems super thick. Like maybe this is too thick.
I don't know. I think it looks great.
Maybe we're going to need every drop of oil. We're going to need all hands on deck here. This is pretty thick. It's nice to see she didn't say use a cup of oil.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it was only a couple ounces.
Okay.
This is quite thick. I'm thinking I might need to add...
Little
Is
bit
there
of oat milk.
something lost in translation?
I don't know.
Because they gave the British, you know, what is it, metric system, whatever. And then they had the American one there. And I went by the British one because I used my food scale. I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be super thick like this.
Maybe.
It
I feel
is-
like last time I made a gluten-free banana bread for you, it was also like that.
It was super thick?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's the gluten-free part.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go with it. I'm going to stick to the recipe and hope for the best. I mean, it has all come together here.
Yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to be.
Okay. So let me preheat my toaster oven because my big oven's broken to 350. American!
AKA Fahrenheit.
Yeah. And then we're going to put this in here. I didn't save some of the nuts or chocolate chips to make it pretty on the top, so it's going to be ugly.
That's alright.
Yeah. It's still going to taste the same.
Smells so banana-y.
It does smell so banana-y. I'm not the biggest fan of bananas at all. In fact, I will never eat a banana.
Wow. Like just on its own.
Just on its own. But like, I will definitely eat an ice cream, and I will definitely eat it in other stuff, baked or whatnot. All right, we're going to pop this in as soon as my oven tells me that it's finally ready.
All right.
For 30 minutes. Walk with me. All right, we'll see you in 30 minutes. American. Oh, wow.
Wow. Oh, it smells so good.
Doesn't it? It's still super warm, so
Which
it's a
I
little
love.
bit crumbly. It's a little bit of a flat top.
Yes. Keep in mind, too, this is gluten-free, the way that we made it. So
Yeah.
I think it probably would have been
You think?
taller.
Or maybe her pan was like a different shape.
Maybe. Are we
I mean,
ready
it's
to slice?
still good. Sure.
I don't know how big to make this.
Not that big.
Here.
That's pretty big.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I think it said it made like 12 slices, so like that.
But I want a snack.
Okay.
I don't think it's that big, because it's short.
Okay.
Ooh. Ooh, I
You
want
really
all the...
slopping it up.
Yes, I am. That's what I do. All right, I'm ready to try this.
Yes. Yeah.
That was a walnut. Oh my god. So delish. Okay, here we go.
FYI, she said she likes to toast each slice when she eats it
Okay.
until the edges are a little crispy.
Ooh. That's delicious.
Okay.
Wow.
It's simple. That's what I like.
Mm-hmm.
Few ingredients.
Yeah, that was really easy to put together.
Yeah. Pretty painless. And delicious. Yes, Thomas the Tank Engine Eyes.
Oh my god! I love it.
All right.
I love banana bread.
I tolerate banana bread because I don't really like bananas, but
It's really nice with the walnuts in there.
yeah.
I just also love banana bread even more when it's still warm.
Yes.
It's just so
It makes such a big difference.
so good for the soul.
The chocolate.
Yeah, the chocolate
All
chunks
that
in there.
chocolate.
I'm going to finish the rest of that piece, but first, thank you all so much for watching. If you're interested in more recipes like this, check out Freya's cookbook.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's really beautifully shot.
And keep watching us here.
Yay! Subscribe for more.
Yeah. So let us know what your favorite cookbooks are right now.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the next one. So until then, much
Much
love.
love.